What if I told you that making money online isn't just for tech geniuses, influencers, or people with tons of followers? Nope. It's for anyone who's willing to take the first step. Whether you've got a laptop, a phone, or even just some creativity and persistence, you're in. There are literally dozens of ways to earn online, and in today's video, we're going through 30 real ways to make money online. Some fast, some long-term, and some you've probably never even heard of. Stick around till number 1, because that one might just change your life. 3. Sell stock photos or videos. Have a good eye for detail? You can earn every time someone downloads your pictures or clips on sites like Shutterstock or Adobe Stock. Pro tip: niche content sells best. Think diverse people working, local cultures, or specific business settings. 29. Teach English online. Platforms like Cambly and Preply let you earn by helping others learn English. No teaching degree is required, just fluency, patience, and good communication. You'll chat with learners from around the world, build connections, and make money from home, even with just a few hours a day. 28. Create Notion templates. Design custom Notion templates for budgeting, productivity, or project tracking. People love tools that help them stay organized. Sell your templates on Gumroad, Etsy, or your website, and include a demo video to increase conversions. It's a creative, low-cost way to generate passive income online. 27. Offer resume or LinkedIn profile writing. If you've helped friends land interviews, it's time to monetize that skill. Combine strong writing with keyword research to optimize resumes and LinkedIn bios. You could even upsell clients with interview coaching. 26. Voiceover work. A good mic and clean sound can open doors to big opportunities. Many small businesses and YouTubers need voiceovers for ads, explainers, and tutorials. Record a demo reel and upload it to Fiverr or Voices.com. 25. Sell printables on Etsy. From chore charts to monthly planners, printables are low-maintenance digital products. Once you upload them, they can sell hundreds of times without you lifting a finger. Canva is your best friend here. 24. Start a faceless YouTube channel. Use tools like Pictory, AI voiceovers, or screen recordings to create content in niches like tech, health tips, or finance. Stay anonymous, focus on value, and watch your channel grow over time. 23. Become a podcast editor. With podcasts growing fast, many creators need help editing audio. Learn basic tools like Audacity or Adobe Audition to remove background noise, balance sound levels, and add intros or music. You can charge per episode or offer monthly editing packages. It's a great way to earn consistently if you enjoy audio work. 22. Write Substack newsletters. Start a free newsletter on Substack around a topic you love, like self-development, tech trends, or wellness. Offer free value first, then add paid posts or perks for loyal readers. Substack handles payments and email delivery, making it beginner-friendly. Grow your list through social media and offer quality content to convert fans into paying subscribers. 21. Sell AI-generated designs. Use AI tools like Midjourney or DALL-E to create stunning images, art, quotes, fantasy scenes, or patterns. Upload them to platforms like Redbubble or TeePublic, where they can be printed on shirts, posters, and phone cases. With the right niche and trends, you can build a passive income stream without manual design skills. 20. Become a virtual assistant. Start with admin tasks, email cleanup, data entry, customer service. As you grow, offer calendar management, CRM updates, or bookkeeping. Platforms like Belay or Zirtual can help you find high-paying clients. 19. Build and sell digital tools. You can create simple calculators, databases, or dashboards with Glide, Airtable, or Bubble. Package them for specific niches, like real estate agents or fitness coaches, and sell them through Gumroad. 18. Affiliate marketing with a twist. Choose a niche you care about and review products honestly. Add affiliate links in blog posts, YouTube descriptions, or newsletters. Combine it with storytelling to earn trust and clicks. 17. Flip digital real estate. Aged domains and pre-built sites can be goldmines. Use tools like Flippa to find undervalued websites, improve content and SEO, then sell them for profit. Start small, reinvest profits, and scale up. 16. Create an online course. Think you need to be an expert? Not true. Just be one step ahead of your audience. Use Loom or Zoom to record lessons, then host on Teachable or Udemy. Market it through your social media. 15. Transcription services. If you type fast and can focus, transcription is a great entry point. Combine it with captioning or translation for more income. Pro tip: specialize in medical or legal fields for higher pay. 14. Run Facebook ads for local businesses. Local shops don't know how to run digital ads. Learn the basics through free courses and offer to manage $5 per day ad campaigns. Once you deliver results, raise your rates and build a client base. 13. Sell ebooks on Amazon KDP. Write helpful, concise guides, like Meal Prep for Busy Moms or Freelancing 101. Design an eye-catching cover, format it for Kindle, and set up your royalty pricing. With time, ebooks become passive income. 12. Dropshipping done right. Focus on quality, branding, and customer service. Pick unique products, create a compelling website, and run clean ads. Avoid saturated niches and build long-term relationships with reliable suppliers. 11. Create Instagram theme pages. Grow a fan page with viral content, then monetize it through shoutouts or affiliate links. Or sell the whole page once it hits a certain follower count. Use tools like Canva to stay consistent. Sell fonts or icons. Designers need sleek, fresh elements. Create your own icon packs or custom fonts, bundle them, and list on Creative Market or itch.io. Once up, they can sell for years. 9. Start a paid community. Whether it's financial coaching or parenting support, people crave connection. Create a safe space with real value. Offer monthly live calls, templates, or challenges inside a paid group. 8. Run a newsletter-fueled business. Use platforms like ConvertKit to grow your list. Monetize through affiliate offers, sponsored segments, or selling your own digital products. Newsletters let you build a loyal audience off social media. 7. Flip items on eBay or OLX. This one's fast and fun. Hunt garage sales, thrift shops, or Facebook Marketplace for undervalued items. Look for brand names, vintage electronics, or rare books. Flip online for profit. 6. Sell website templates. Web designers are always looking for shortcuts. Use Figma or Webflow to build stylish templates for agencies or creators. Sell through your own portfolio or on template marketplaces. 5. TikTok UGC creation. Brands love real, unscripted content. You can earn $50 to $300 per video showing yourself using a product. UGC, user-generated content, is exploding, and you don't need a big following to cash in. 4. Freelance writing. Write about topics you love, whether it's gaming, beauty, finance, or food. Create a portfolio on Medium or Contently, then pitch blogs, companies, or agencies. Great writers always find work. 3. Sell AI tools or prompts. AI is the new gold rush. Package prompts for marketers, therapists, coaches, any niche. Sell them as PDFs or interactive tools. This is perfect if you're good at thinking creatively. 2. Monetize your expertise with coaching. People are paying for transformation, not information. Offer one-on-one coaching or group sessions in your area of strength, career advice, fitness, mindset, productivity, etc. Even one client a week can become a steady income. 1. Build a personal brand. This is the most powerful long-term strategy. Start showing up online, sharing what you know. Build trust. Over time, your personal brand becomes an income engine through products, services, speaking gigs, or brand deals. It's not the fastest way to earn, but it's the one with the most freedom. There you go, 30 actionable ways to earn money online. And here's the truth, you don't need to master them all. Just start with one, stay consistent, and grow from there. Every online success story starts with that first uncomfortable step. So which idea spoke to you the most? Drop it in the comments. If this video helped you, smash that like button, subscribe for weekly online income tips, and don't forget to check the next video, AI tools that do the work for you. Your journey starts now. Ready?